2024 was a groundbreaking year for Treasure NFT. Through technological innovation, ecosystem growth, and global expansion, we've solidified our place as a leader in the NFT industry. This year, Treasure NFT introduced multi-chain compatibility, enabling seamless transactions across Ethereum, Solana, BSC, and more, breaking blockchain boundaries and empowering collectors to manage their multi-chain NFT assets effortlessly. Our revolutionary NFT-free zone and staking zone opened new doors, allowing enthusiasts to stake their NFTs for rewards and unlock hidden value. And with our real-time dynamic evaluation system, users gained precise market insights for every NFT, ensuring transparency and smarter asset management. Treasure NFT's ecosystem is truly global. In 2024, we achieved over 2 million enthusiasts across 68 countries, collaborations with 5,000 top creators, resulting in more than 300,000 unique NFT collectibles, and 50,000 new star ambassadors, connecting local markets and amplifying the NFT community. By staking, exclusive activities, and more, enthusiasts earned significant returns totaling $12 million this year alone. At Treasure NFT, social responsibility is at the heart of what we do. From exclusive partnerships with renowned artists and brands to pioneering the NFT plus physical asset model, Treasure NFT redefined what's possible with digital collectibles. Our achievements in 2024 speak volumes. $6.5 billion in total transactions, 300,000 new NFTs minted, and a 96% satisfaction rate from our global community. In 2025, we aim to introduce new products like smart trading tools and AR displays, expand to Africa and South America, advance cross-chain interoperability, and lead sustainable growth with green NFT projects. Treasure NFT is more than a platform. It's a movement. Together, we've shaped 2024 into an extraordinary year, and the future, even brighter. Join us as we continue to redefine the digital asset world. Visit us at treasurenft.xyz or join our community on Telegram. Treasure NFT. Treasure NFT, bridging the digital and real worlds, empowering creators worldwide. Treasure NFT, infinite value, limitless opportunities.